Good day to all. In this video, we will test the P6 SIRIUS CNC tattoo machine. Good thing in this machine, the number of stroke is already written on the machine itself. So it won't be difficult to estimate the stroke. You can adjust the stroke by rotating the tail part of the machine. And in the grip part is where you can adjust the needle depth. Okay, let's open the battery. Okay, let's start with 6.5 volts. Here's the grip. Here you can adjust the needle depth. Always remember that the needle depth is different from the stroke. Many are confused about this. And I will use 3RL police cartridge needle for the line work. Okay, let me adjust the needle depth first. Alright, let's start lining up. Pardon me guys because the camera angle is far away, but later you'll see it up close. Did you see that? I got every lines in just one pass using the P6 SIRIUS tattoo machine. This machine is very stable. Aside from that, this machine is very quiet and without vibration, no vibration. You also won't feel pressure holding this machine, this P6 SIRIUS. I used 3 round liner for the line and I'm still at the 3.5mm stroke. It's amazing that this machine is very smooth to use and its grip is very easy to handle. Very nice and clean. Now let's change the voltage. Let's put it at 6 volts. We'll also use 7 round shader and turn the stroke to 4 millimeters. Let's try color packing with the RS needle and different stroke. Wow, see that? In just one pass. Oh, nice. I am very impressed in this P6 SIRIUS. Very nice machine, huh? Okay, see that? One pass. Okay, make it clean. All right. It's not just the machine are great, as well as the police cartridge needle, because it has a thick tube that is easy and comfortable to hold. I have more control over the needle when this is the case. Another good thing in this machine, in this P6 SIRIUS, you can try different types of strokes based on what you are used to, that you can do with other machines on the market today. Alright, I'll just add a little design below. I'll just want to try a different style and stroke. Okay, let's go back to 3RL needle, round liner needle. Let's turn the stroke into 3 millimeters and lower down the voltage to 4 volts. We will adjust the needle depth also for the whip shading and stippling tattoo style. I don't often do this style, but I'll show you so we can know if P6 is okay with this kind of forte. Pardon me guys, I didn't notice that the camera angle wasn't good. This machine is amazing. This machine is all in one. Good for lining, good for color packing, and also for stippling and whip shading. Okay, let's try this with the 7 round magnum needle. Let's turn again to 3.5 millimeter stroke and raise the voltage to 7 volts. We also adjust the needle depth. Okay, let's put colors on the upper part. Let's do color packing again using the round magnum needle. And still very smooth, very good indeed. Nice. Okay, again, circular motion, pack, color packing. All right, amazing. Very easy to use. Wow. I think the work of every Filipino tattoo artist or any tattoo artist will be easier when they use P6 SIRIUS. Very effective tattoo machine. As you can see, I was able to handle the machine properly and comfortably because of its curve. Its curve on the handle, on the grip. The case of this machine is made of aero-grade alloyed aluminum, and it looks smooth with a unique colorway. Very beautiful machine. You see how easy the job is when you use the P6 SIRIUS tattoo machine. Very amazing tattoo machine. I think the motor of this tattoo machine is strong and durable. That's why it is very easy for the ink to penetrate into the skin. It's the CNC XI motor. This CNC P6 SIRIUS tattoo machine is very impressive, and I am very lucky that I had one of these tattoo machine. This CNC P6 SIRIUS tattoo machine is a perfect match for me, and I would love to do more tattoo works with this tattoo machine. For me, you will not regret to buy this CNC P6 SIRIUS tattoo machine because of its beauty and its quality. Okay, let's finish this tattoo and I hope you like it. I would like to thank CNC Tattoo for the opportunity to use their latest P6 SIRIUS tattoo machine. If you want to avail the CNC P6 SIRIUS tattoo machine, please go to www.cnctattoo.com or you can send a DM in Instagram at CNC Tattoo. I would also like to thank Artec Inks and Splice Tattoo Products, the first Filipino tattoo products.